Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your math sample paper with solutions.
Hello kids, we are going to start with Maths Class 2nd Sample Paper 2. Let's begin. Our first question is, what is the 23 rounded to the nearest 10? So we have to find where the 23 is rounded to the nearest one. So we have to see at the units place, if this 3 is more than 5, the units place number is more than 5, then it is rounded upwards. And if units place is less than 5, then it is rounded downwards. So here 3 is less than 5. That means we have to round up downwards. So therefore 23 has to be rounded downwards towards 20. Okay, so answer is 20. Question number 2. What is the expanded form of 345? 345, we have to find the expanded form. So this is units place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. So hundreds place like this, units place like this, and this is units place. So answer is 300 plus 40 plus 5, that is option number A. Question number 3. There are 24 chairs in a hall. Each row has 6 chairs. How many rows are there? So we have to find out that each row has how many chairs. So 24, we will divide this by 6. In that case, we will get how many chairs each row should have. Okay, so 24 divided by 6, what does the table say? 6 1s are 6, 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. So in each row, there will be 4 chairs. Sorry, in each row, there will be 6 chairs, but rows there will be 4. Okay. So there will be 4 rows for adjusting 24 chairs. Question 4. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now, what is ascending order? Ascending order means when you slowly move upwards, like from the smallest number to the highest number. So here in this pattern, in this series, we have first smallest number as 422, 425, 1, then 452, second, then 524, third, and then 542, fourth. Now we have to find the sequence in which 425 is the first number. Here and nowhere else. So option B is the correct answer because it is 452, then 425, then 452, then 524, and then 542. Fifth one. Write 705 in words. So 705. This is 750. This is 705. This is 70 and 5, and this is 705. So the correct answer is option B, 705. Sixth one. A flower pot has 6 flowers and each flower has 4 petals. How many petals are there in total? We have to find total petals over here. So what we'll do, we'll multiply 6 by 4 to get the total petals. Now 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and 6 4s are 24. So we have 24 petals in total, and that is option B. Seventh one, you have 18 candies. If you divide them equally among 6 friends, how many candies does each friend get? Now we have to divide 18 candies into 6. So this will be, the answer will be 6 1s are 6, and 6 2s are 12, and 6 3s are 18. So 3 candies each friend will get. Option B. Eighth one, if you start 50 If you start with 50, subtract 20, and then add 15, what is the result? So what we have to do is first, we have to start with 50, subtract 20, that will be 30, and then add 15 to it, that will be 45. So what is the result? 45 is the result, and option C is the correct answer. Ninth, Emma has 4 jars. Each jar has 5 marbles. How many marbles does she have in total? So Emma has 4 jars and 5 marbles in each jar. So we have to count total. So 4 fives are 20. So we have to see where is the 20. This is the total number of marbles. First is 10, second is 15, third is 20, and fourth is 25. So our C option is the correct one. 10th question. If you start with 30, add 15, and then subtract 10, what is the result? Start with 50, start with 30, add 15, it will be 45, and then subtract 10, it will be 35. So option B is the correct answer. 11th one. Is the fraction shown in the figure below correct? Let's see. It's 10 upon 11, isn't it? So we have to count how many fractions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is correct. Now how many are shaded portion? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 shaded portion among the 11 divisions. So it is correct. Option A is correct. 12th one. If 3/5 of a number is 24, what is the number? So how we'll calculate this? 3/5 of number, let's say number is X, is 24. Okay. See again. If 3/5 of a number, 3/5 of a number, of means multiplication. So we will put a symbol of multiplication also. Of a number is 24, means equal to 24. What is the number? So what we'll do? We will just keep X over here and we will put send all this over here. And since it is in multiplication here, so it will be in division. But if we reciprocate it, then it will be in the same way like this. We have to just put this up and this number in denominator, this numerator and this denominator. So 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 8 fives are 40, 8 multiplied by 40, 8 multiplied by 5, so that is 40. So the answer is 40, option C. Let's check it as this also. 3/5 of a number is 24. Let's see is it or not. 5 eights are 40, 8 ones are 8, 2s are 16, 8 threes are 24. So correct. Next, 13th. Pick the correct fraction. We have to pick the correct fraction. So what is the total number of portion over here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have this and this as the correct denominator. Now let's see numerator. 3 are the shaded portion and 1 is the empty blank portion. Okay. So now let's see what it is. 3 are the shaded portion. So this 3 is the shaded portion. So this is the correct one. Option D is the correct. Next one. 14th. A cake is divided into 12 equal pieces. If Mary eats 1/3 of the cake, how many pieces does she eat? Now 1/3 of cake is eaten, isn't it? So how much is remaining? So we will do 1 by 3 into 12. So 3 fours are 12 and 4 into 1 is 4. So 4 pieces are remaining. Sorry, 4 pieces she ate. Okay, so B is the correct answer. 15. What time is it if the hour hand is between 5 and 6 and the minute hand is on 6? Okay, let's see. Hour hand is between 5 and 6. So between 5 and 6 is hour hand and minute hand is on 6. So minute hand is on 6 means it has to be 30, because the entire is of 60 minutes. So half will be 30 minutes. So 30. And it is between 5 and 6. So it has to be 5:30 only. Okay. So the correct answer is B. What is the equivalent of 1 kilometer in meters? 1 kilometer in meter. So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Okay. So the correct answer is over here. Option C, 1000 meters. 17th, which unit would you use to measure the weight of book? Weight of book. So weight of book will be measured in kilogram. Okay. So the answer is option A. Because milligram is too small to weight a book, and liter and meter are not the measures units for measuring the book. 18th one. If you fill a bottle with 250 milliliters of water, how many milliliters of water will be in 4 bottles? Now, so we have given that 250 milliliter comes in 1 bottle. So how many bottles will we have to fill for fill the 4 bottles? So it will be, let's multiply it. Okay, 4 zeros are 0, 4 fives are 20, 2 over here carried, 4 twos are 8, plus 2, 9 and 10. So 1000 milliliter water is required to fill 4 bottles. And our correct option is option B. 19th one. A jug has 12 liters of lemonade. If 4 liters are poured into glasses and 1 liter you drink, how much lemonade is left in the jug? We have 12 liters of lemonade, from which 4 liters is already poured in the glasses. So it is 12 minus 4, 8. And from this 8 liters, I have drank 1 liter. So that means remaining one is 7. 8 minus 1 is 7. So 7 liters of lemonade is left in jug. Option A. 20th question. A rope is 9 meters long. If you need to cut it into pieces that are each 3 meters long, how many pieces will you have? So we have to cut it into pieces. So let's divide it to get the exact number of pieces. 9 divided by 3, that is 3. 3 3 is a 9. So we will require 3 pieces, okay, which will be 3 meters long. Each piece will be 3 meters long. 21st. A pen costs rupees 15 and a pencil costs rupees 7. How much will you pay for 3 pens and 4 pencils? See, 3 pens costing 15 rupees and 4 pencils costing 7 rupees. So let's find the answer. 15 fives are 15 threes are is 45, and 7 fours are 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So now we will add it. It is 8, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So 3, 1 over here, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So answer is 73 rupees we will require to pay for 3 pens and 4 pencils. 22nd question. Ria has 500 rupees. She buys a dress for rupees 320 and a pair of shoes for rupees 180. How much more money does she need to buy both items? Now let's total first. How much is this? 320 plus 180. Okay. So the total is 8, 9, 10. 1 over here, 3, 1, 3, 4 and 5. So she needs 500 rupees to buy both items. And how much rupees she has? She has 500 rupees only also. So that means she can buy it, and how much will be remaining? Nothing. 500 minus 500, 0. So the answer to this is option B, 500. Sorry, 0. 23rd question. If the current time is 3:45 p.m., what time will it be in 2 hours and 30 minutes? Current time is 6:45. What time it will be in 2 hours and 30 minutes? So let's add 2 first to this. That will be 6, 7, 8. 8 hours and 45 minutes. Now we have to add 30 minutes to this. Okay. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we all know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, isn't it? So we will first subtract 75 minus 60, that is 15. And this 160 will means 1 hour will get added to this. Means it's 9 hours and 15 minutes. That means 9:15 p.m. Option B is the correct one for 23rd answer. 24th. It takes Ria 20 minutes to complete one drawing. If she starts at 4 p.m. and finishes at 5:20 p.m., how many drawings does she complete? So now, if it takes 20 minutes, so just a minute. 24th question. It takes Ria 20 minutes to complete one drawing. If she starts at 4 p.m. and finishes at 5:20 p.m., how many drawings does she complete? So we have to see that she started at 4 p.m. and ends at 5:20 p.m. So let's see how much time she has taken, isn't it? So now from 5:20 to 4, how much time it is in total? It is 1 hour and 20 minutes. 1 hour and 20 minutes, 1 hour is equals to 60 and 20 minutes extra. So it is 80 minutes. Now in 80 minutes, it took 20 minutes to complete one painting. So if in 80 minutes, how much you might have done? So number of drawings equals to total time upon time per drawing. That means 80 divided by 20. So it will be 2 fours are 8. That means B. Option B is the correct one. 4 paintings she will complete in this much time. 25th. A clock shows the time as 10:15 a.m. If the minute hand moves forward 50 minutes, what will be the new time? Okay, so clock shows 10:15 a.m. Minute hand moves forward by 50 minutes. Now minute hand moves by 50 minutes. So we have to add minutes and minutes together. So this is 50 minutes we add over here. It will be 5 and this is 5 plus 1, 6. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So this 60, this is 60 plus 5. So this 60 goes to 1 hour side, that is 10 plus 1, that is 11, and this is 5 minutes remaining. So it will be 11 and 5 minutes. Okay, so therefore the answer is 11:05, but this is PM. You have to be very careful. This is PM, so this is wrong, and the correct answer is 11:05 a.m. Option C, because we started at AM. Clock shows AM 10:15. Okay. 26th. Which 3D shape has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices? So 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. The shape is cube. Cube has 6 faces and 12 edges, and also 8 vertices. So option A is the correct answer. 27th. A triangle has sides of length 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Which type of triangle is it? Okay. So over here, we have to be careful, like 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 5 centimeter is given. So we will use Pythagoras theorem. Have you heard Pythagoras theorem? In this theorem, it is like the square of two sides should be, if the square of longest side equals the sum of the square of other two sides, it is the right angled triangle. So let's check. 3 square plus 4 square is equals to 5 square. It should be like this. So 5 square is 25. Now this should come as 25. 3 threes are 9 plus 4 fours are 16. So 9 plus 16 is 25. Therefore, it shows that this is equal to this and hence it is right angled triangle. Option C is the correct answer. 28th one. Which of the following is closed shape? Closed shape. Option D is the correct one because it is trapezium. Trapezium is a closed shape, whereas line, angle, and ray are not the closed shapes. Next one, 29. How many diagonals does a rectangle have? Rectangle, let's draw it. Rectangle. Now we have to find how many diagonals. So this is one diagonal and this is the another one diagonal. So it has two diagonals. Options are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So B option is the correct one. Option 2. Cube. 30th question. A cube is painted on all sides. How many faces are painted? Now we know that cube has 6 sides. So all the 6 sides has to be painted. So therefore option B is the correct one. Okay. 31st question. If a square is cut into two equal triangles, square is cut into two equal triangles. Okay. What shape are the pieces? What shape are the pieces? What it has to be? It has to be triangles only. Option D is the correct one. 32. Complete the pattern. See, this is rectangle, this is square, and this is, sorry, this is triangle, this is square, and this is triangle again. Here it is triangle, square. Now what will be the another thing? The another thing has to be square, isn't it? Option B is the correct answer. Triangle cancel to triangle, square cancel to square. So now this turn of this square has to be over here. Okay. Next, 33rd question. Complete the pattern. Now let's see this pattern. Two triangles, one square, two plus sign. Two squares, one circle, and this two blocks. Then this is 2 plus 1 square and 2 triangles. So this and this are same and this are same. Same means shapes. Now they are upside down. Here plus was down, now it is up. Here triangles were up, they are down, and center square is remaining where it is. Now we have to follow this again. This is 1, this is 3. Now again this is 5th position. So what will be the answer from this 4? This option B, because it has to come again triangle, square, and plus sign. So option B, one number diagram has to come over here. Okay. 34th. A pattern of triangles has this sequence. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now what will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 triangles should come to match this pattern. And therefore option C is the correct one because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Okay. 35th. Find the missing letter. So let's see the pattern. A, B skipped, C, D skipped, E, F skipped, G, H skipped, and I will come here. So the answer is option D, I. 36th. The pictograph below shows the number of toys each child has. Each toy picture represents 2 toys. How many toys do Kabir and Tara have together? Kabir. And Tara, where is Tara? Tara is here. Now Kabir, count it 1, 2, 3. So Kabir has 3 into 2 toys. And Tara, let's count Tara, 1 and 2. So 2 into 2. So it's 3 twos are 6 and 2 twos are 4. So how much in total? 10 toys. So where's the answer? Options are 12, 14, 16 and 10. So correct answer is D, 10 toys. 37th one. The pictograph below shows the number of ice cream cones each child ate. Each cone icon represents 3 ice creams. How many ice cream cones did Sarah eat in total? Where is Sarah? Sarah is here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 cones and each represents 3 ice creams. So into 3, that means 15. So Sarah ate 15 ice creams. Options are 10, 15, 18 and 9. So correct one is option B, 15. 38. The pictograph below shows the number of marbles each child collected. Each marble icon represents 4 marbles. How many marbles did Sneha and Meera collect together? Sneha and Meera. Sneha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sneha, this is Sneha, 5 marbles, 5 into 4. And Meera, 1, 2, and 3. 3 marbles. So each of them represent 4 marbles. So multiplied by 4. So Sarah is equals to 5 fours are 20. Meera is equals to 4 threes are 12. Now add it. 2 and this is 3. 32. They collectively got 32 marbles. Is their answer 32? Yes, here it is. Option C is the correct one. Next, 39th. The pictograph below shows the number of flowers picked by children for a school project. Each flower icon represents 3 flowers. How many flowers did Arjun and Diya pick together? It's Arun. Arun and Diya. Let's count it. Arun has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 picked ones. 5. And Diya 1 and 2. So Diya 2. Now each flower represents 3 flowers. So it is multiplied by 3. Okay. So Arun is equals to 15. 5 3s are 15. And Diya is equals to 6. Totaling both gets 6 and 5. 11. 1 over here. It's 2. 21 flowers they have picked together. And for that, option D is the correct answer. 40th. The pictograph below shows the number of oranges sold by a vendor over 5 days. Each orange icon represents 5 oranges. On which day were 25 oranges sold? Now we have to see 25 oranges sold where on which day. So let's first count like how many of them. Where are, this is okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 oranges, okay. It is 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 oranges. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Now we have to see that on which day were 25 oranges sold. Now since each of them is, the number is this, and we have to multiply by 5 to get 25 as the correct answer, like 25 oranges sold that particular day. Okay, so when we multiply all of them with 5, what are the results? 6 5s are 30, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 and 7 5s are 35. Now here is the day on which we sold 25 oranges. And which day is that vendor sold 25 oranges? It is Wednesday. So the correct answer is Wednesday. Now options are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So option C, Wednesday is the correct answer. And here we end with 40 questions. This ends the sample paper 2 of Maths class 2nd. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.